andito tayo ngayon. Di ba, ito po yung highway. Dapat dito tayo magpa-park kaso puno. So, pumasok tayo dito. Dito tayo nag-park. Yes. So, again, meron tayong 15 hectares na develop ni Hamano Homes. And then, ang 1 hectare is dedicated for commercials, which is yung nakita nyo. 14 hectares is dedicated for residential. So, meron tayong 2 spinal road, which is 2 gates, 16 meters wide yan, dalawa. Kung dito yung bahay mo, less hassle, dito pa. Dito yung bahay mo, may sariling gate ka rin. Para every morning, mga empleyado, students, di ba, hindi kayo nagkaka...
Hindi kayo magiging congested.
That's right po. So upon enter po natin dito, complete amenities, meron tayong playground. Yung swimming pool natin is hati yung pang adult and kids. And then may paliguan, may cabana style din sila. Yan, nakikita namin yung mga owner dito, nagpipitsa. Makikita natin ito mamaya. 2-story clubhouse. Sa second floor may fitness. Yan. Yes. Tapos ito naman is multi-purpose court. So, basketball, pwede din volleyball, may sariling net sila. Tapos, sir, ito